Hey, welcome back to Blue Tarp Studio B. We got some unboxings coming up. We got this birthday stash, and we got this sweet California cruising van. Let's see, I built some shelves, put up some lights in the photo booth, so that's really nice. And then also, I want to introduce to you my new helper, my friendly, unpaid intern. Hey, what's happening? I'm here to do the tracks. Yeah, he's an interesting one. Yeah, whatever, man. Get out my face. Gotta do this work. So get out my face. Yeah, okay. Well, we'll just leave him be, see what he does. Yeah, I think the people's right here. Yeah, I think we'll leave these two till later on.